Oh no. Oh my god, it looks perfect. Wait, it's backwards on 100. 100 subscribers. That's what I started with. And the first subscriber was probably my friend Grace. Oh. And it just went up from there, guys. I'll face it towards me. 0. Actually, that's what I started with. 0. Okay. And when you start at 0, you can only go up from there. You can't have negative subscribers. I don't think. Another 0 is what was added after 99. And now, right now, reverse that. We're at 100. Oh yeah, I also have my drink. My nose is running, it's a bit cold. I didn't get a birthday cake this year, so this is like, turn off your lighter after you use it. Whoa, guys. I'm gonna do a thumbnail. Oh my god. No. Okay, you're done. Oh, no laughing. I guess I'll make a wish with my cake. I'm using the bad side of the cake. Okay, just ignore, like, pretend it looks good. Thank you guys for subscribing to me. There's 100 and a few more because I hit 100 a few days ago. And I started my YouTube a year and like 4 months ago. Thank you for watching me and even watching through the cringe and everything. I've definitely come a long way. I've moved across the country and everything since then. That has nothing to really do with the YouTube, but yeah. And by the way, I'm just gonna say my wish out loud. I wish that this 100 will turn to 100 million. Okay? So, yeah, ready, set, go. Now it's gonna smell in here because it's small in here. But this is for later because we have a big pizza. Here's the kind of pizza I got. Comes with these little packets, so that's nice. And I put in ranch, I put 100. And let me face it towards me. So I was gonna order a pizza. This was my thought, like order a pizza and be like, hey, could you guys like make the pepperoni like have say 100 on it? I just got way too like embarrassed at the thought of that. I was also thinking about like putting on the cake, but like, come on. I just went to the grocery store and got all this stuff. So like, what's Italian spice? And here I am. And actually, I was gonna take this out in public and eat it in public, but today I just felt very. No, we don't need that. Well, I was feeling very introverted, so no, we don't need that either. We're gonna eat this. So I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat. So guys, I'm actually probably gonna eat, I want to eat this whole pizza, but I'm gonna eat my cake too. So obviously I know this is a silly thing to celebrate because 100 is not that many, but then I was like, hey, like, I never really let myself actually celebrate anything, but at the same time I don't deny myself anything, so I'm kind of celebrating like every day. But I was like, oh no, let me, because I don't let myself celebrate anything because I feel like I'm always like, okay, well, you could have done better, like you could have done way more, you could have done more. Obviously I can get more than 100, but I was like, whatever, because it's actually really hard to gain followers on YouTube. It's hard to reach people without, I don't even know if you can pay to boost your videos, but like YouTube is not where it used to be. Like when I grew up watching YouTube, you could make money off of YouTube like so easily, like from YouTube itself, not from brand deals. Now I have on my little thing, like, you have to have at least this many subscribers, at least this many watch time, or at least this many views to even begin to be monetized. So I am literally nowhere close, but this is just proof that I'm doing it for the love of the game, because it's been a year and 4 months, and I think my channel has like 43 videos on it. I think that's including shorts though, but still. Wait, I think I'm not that good at being a mukbanger. I'm realizing I actually take really small bites, so I'm not really that satisfying. The F. So basically, maybe I should like reintroduce myself, because I actually got some new followers. Like, I actually got most of these 100 followers just recently. From a recent video I did. So, okay. So my name is Ellie, and I started posting on YouTube because I always wanted to, and I always just think of like video ideas. Some of them are stupid and some of them are like, I think they're good, like my covers. But regardless, I was like, let me just do it, and now's the time when you're young and you have the world ahead of you. So I thought I was feeling more talkative today, but actually not. So this is like a real mukbang. I like watching mukbangs. I don't know why, but I don't really watch mukbangs while I eat though. I just watch them in bed. That's sad. And when I was younger, like when I was a kid, I literally watched mukbangs on YouTube. I thought it was weird. Like, I enjoyed watching it, but I knew it was like Like, if other people found out, like, I actually watched those, I'd be like, nah, it's over for me. Like, that's so embarrassing. But now, I'm unashamed. But, yeah, I used to click on it and watch, like, the whole thing. I used to watch those sea grapes a lot, the crunchy ones. But now, everything's short form, so I'll just be scrolling through the seafood boils, guys. I mean, I used to watch seafood boils when I was younger. I don't even eat seafood, but these days in the onion boils, I really want to do that. I ate half of it, so I don't know if I should keep eating or start the cake. I'm just gonna eat them together at the same time. Here's something that people don't tell you about being an adult. Remember when you were a kid and your parents said stuff like, when you're an adult, you can buy whatever you want. So like, you're at the store and you're like, I want Gushers. I want 10 million Gushers. I want Fruit by the Foot. Mom, why won't you give me that? 'Cause, you know, some moms don't really allow that all the time. And then your mom said, well, we're not going to get them now, but when you're an adult and you have your own money, you can get whatever you want. That's exactly how I spend every single day of my life. And where was I going with this? Oh, and the whole idea of wait till after you finish your dinner to eat your dessert, that's also bullshit. That's a made-up rule, guys. You can eat whatever you want, whenever you want, and if you do that, you'll actually be happier. Oh, wow. Wait, I don't want to, I'm going to use this lid. Oh my gosh. That is sweet and moist. What the heck? That's like so soft and man, that is sweet. Dang, okay. Yeah, so you can eat your dessert whenever you want. So it's this thing called intuitive eating. So basically like, let me teach you something because I guess people nowadays are forgetting. When you're hungry, then you eat. Whatever time, when you're hungry, you eat what you want. And when you have a craving, you eat it. But the thing you have to do is not feel guilty while you're eating it. Because if you eat, okay, I'm craving a cake. If I sit here and eat the cake, okay, I'll let myself have some cake. Oh, I shouldn't be doing this. Oh, I shouldn't be doing this. You're not actually satisfying the craving. You're just making yourself feel guilty. And you're still gonna crave it because you didn't what's the word? Like, just enjoy and savor it. You didn't even savor it. It's like you never ate it because you didn't even enjoy it. That's the point of craving something. You eat it and you enjoy it. You don't eat it and go, no. Okay, it's really not that deep. So, yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, if you really want some dessert, you can just eat it when you want. You don't have to finish your meal. Because actually that concept, like, wait till after you finished your meal to eat your dessert, it actually like promotes like overeating. Instead, you just eat what you want. So how's everyone doing? Man, I don't really have shit to talk about. It's not that I've been feeling uninspired lately. It's just that I've been grappling with the voice in my head that tells me that everything I do is stupid. And here's the thing, I'm really trying to find out like where that's coming from, because I don't think my parents said I was stupid all the time, but something is wrong. Someone in my childhood told me that I look like an idiot, and now I can't express myself. No, it's silly, cause look at me, look what I'm doing. This is silly and this is cringe, but I don't really care. But it's like at a certain point that I do care. Let me know if you guys feel like this. And the funny thing is, I feel like I know where a lot of my negative thought patterns come from, except for this one. You know what? It's probably just like cringe culture in general. Guys, I'm feeling it. Yeah, so probably not gonna like celebrate at 200, but maybe like at 500 or 1,000, like we'll do this again. I'll keep these and I'll get rid of this one. Well, we'll keep this for when I hit 100 million. Yeah, better hold on to these. Yeah. Actually, I don't really know like how many, like, wasn't PewDiePie like 50 million when he was trying to like beat that one guy? I don't even know like the ratio of, because like I think YouTube is like the least, like, people don't use YouTube with accounts, but Instagram, you can have like 5 million Instagram followers and you can only have like 500k YouTube subscribers. Like, people just don't, yeah, it's kind of like that. So who knows, but like, and do you guys know there's certain countries that don't allow you to use YouTube? It's crazy too. For some reason, I'm like worried I undercooked this pizza, because it said like it had to be fully cooked, and like duh, but I actually did it for longer than it was supposed to, and I think I just have OCD. No, but for real, like, I get scared like everything I eat is gonna make me sick, so I do not claim that energy. But I like this kind. It's called Wild Mike's Ultimate Pizza. Pretty good size for one person. Yeah, I'm just like wondering what I'm doing right now. I guess let's talk about this future of my channel. I want to do more vlogs this summer, but what do you guys think? Like, I kind of like feel like I need more of a flow of a vlog. Like, even I was thinking about this, like, should I start filming at the grocery store, or should I just pop up with this stuff already, or should I stop overthinking it? How do you guys feel about like the government and everything? Yeah, they're like watching right now. They're like watching right now. So anyone else grappling with like I'm having a little bit of struggle with like how basically like just a little bit with the billionaires who kind of like crafted the, like, spent millions of dollars like crafting like the perfectly addicting algorithms that keep you addicted to your phone, and like they like invested a lot of money in this in like building these systems that create this algorithm that just keeps you on there. So I'm having a little bit of struggle with that. But yeah, my only addiction is like to my phone. So everybody has their vices, right? I would say mine's like not that bad. It's not really bad for my body, but yeah, it's bad for my mind. Might as well just eat this. I don't know why I'm not really rocking with the pepperoni right now. I need a better setup. Like, guys, you don't even know how much freaking effort goes into the mukbangs. Like, they literally like tilt it at an angle so you can see it and everything, like a ring light and everything. Do you know how big a table has to be to fit all the in the frame? It doesn't look big. This is like my whole desk. So something about me is that I create very small, achievable goals for myself. That's how you get ahead in life. And a few of my goals, now that I'm reflecting on it, is work on my mukbang setup, improve my satisfying eating skills, and I do need to study. I need to study for the Din Tai Fung exam. I don't have a reservation yet, but I've been thinking about it. I want to post more covers. I just don't really like have the space right now to record them. I have some recorded, but I need to like think of a video to put behind it. What do you guys think about like acapella versions of my covers? Because I'm not very good at like mastering or like mixing and stuff. So I feel like my vocals just get kind of like mixed in with the karaoke version, you know, they get mixed in with the instruments. And I did learn how to do what's it called, I don't remember what it's called, one of the thingies like that levels out like the volumes and stuff. But still, like, it's just on GarageBand, so I've heard like they don't have the best kind of software for that. But so that's what I was thinking of doing acapella versions, because actually when you turn off the instrument, it actually sounds like hella good on its own. And yeah, I think that would be like when I don't have any videos to upload, I can just go back and get the acapella versions. Because I don't know, not to be like self-centered, but I like listening to them, just the vocals sometimes. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go put this stuff in the fridge. Thanks for watching and joining my 100 mukbang party. And one more thing, please don't unsubscribe, because I'm like teetering on the edge of 100, so like please don't bring it down to 99. Please don't. It'd be really bad. And welcome to my channel, my new viewers. And let me know what kind of videos you want to see. and everything. So oh my god, this is so rude of me. I didn't even like ask if you wanted some. Here you go. This is cookies and cream, by the way, but it's not really. I thought it'd have some crunch. Oh my god, I keep burping. This is chocolate cake and this is vanilla ice cream. And there's a few Oreos on the top. So it's not really, actually, it's kind of deceiving. I thought it'd be kind of like a, I'm gonna eat it for you. God. Bye.